Hi, today I'm with me Doogee T10 and I'll show you how to customize always on display option on this device. So let's just first open let's just open first the Muviz Edge application. Here, select one from these available tabs. For example, let's use this one. Click to apply. To change the backgrounds, click here on this section and swipe to the up or to the down to change the backgrounds. Click to apply. Tap to music controls to hide them after 10 seconds or just to don't hide them. Slide this white dot to show notifications and calendar date. Just click on the switchers to show the battery status always while you are charging or never. Just select one from these available options. Tap to go back to the 6 seconds, switch AOD to the settings, click here to always on display section. Here we could change the show on screen lock, the AOD option always while charging. On music we could also use them separately. Here we could just decrease and increase the brightness level to change AOD timeout from 5 seconds to never, to change low power after 5 seconds to never, to change the screen orientation, to close it with a double or single tap, to close it on screen off, to set the schedule, the start and the end time, the pocket mode, and to disable this option during the calls. So that's it, that's how to customize always on display option on our Doogee T10. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, leave a like, comment and subscribe our channel.